Hello, everybody. What's happening? It is Friday. Means nothing to me because we have a huge weekend. I don't believe a day off is in my near future, but that is okay. So rather than dig into properties that everybody else has access to, meaning publicly listed, we're going to continue the exclusive train this week and talk about another three. So I gave you three exclusive listings yesterday that only you have heard about and only you have access to. So please reach out about those right away before they do go on the open market and you miss the boat, because we are open to offers prior to going to market on some of them. So today I'm going to talk about two more exclusive listings. One super sexy loft, almost 3,000 square feet downtown with a terrace, and two, a duplex in Leslieville fronting onto a park with two high quality apartments and tenanted parking. Amazing. So right now we're looking at the merchandise building. So as you can imagine, this is where the first loft I wanted to talk about is. So I can't show you the place yet because photos are actually happening today and tomorrow. I love when people play with the Google thing and they wave and stuff. I saw somebody like lift a baby one time. That was really funny. Anyway, so way up here, pretty much the only unit with a terrace in this entire building. It's about 1,000 square foot terrace, a 2,600 square foot unit. It could be a giant one bedroom. It could be a perfect 3 bedroom. It could be a lot of things. So reach out for that. Probably going to be listed at around $2.5 million. The building is fully outfitted with all of the amenities. Like we're talking gym, pool, all of the amazing things that you want in a condo, like the concierge, a basketball court. Let me show you right here. I probably should have had this ready already, but let's see. The merchandise lofts, 155 Dalhousie. This is our amazing website, condos.ca, which does really well. So right now prices are around $765 per square foot here. Because sometimes you have larger units here, they tend to trade at a little lower price per square foot, but there hasn't been a ton of activity here to gauge the 2018 sales on anyway, especially at this stage. And you have units that are much, much larger and super special that are going to trade for a super premium. So I wouldn't put too much weight on this 765 because our unit is going to be a hell of a lot more than that. So if you're looking for a bargain, go find it somewhere else. And we've got nothing for sale in the building right now. Huge building, nothing for sale, built in 1999. As you can see, the largest unit in the building is ours. So you cannot get any more cream of the crop than this one. So I'm super pumped to show you this one. Maintenance fees have, gone down in this building, which is something, a huge misconception that a lot of people have. A myth in real estate, if you will, is that maintenance fees will just always go up and it's a giant waste of money. You are misinformed, sir, ma'am. That is not true. You can see it was level here for 3 years in a row, had a little bit of a spike, and then it's coming right back down. So since 2009, it has not increased all that much. And, if you buy a house, it doesn't mean there is no maintenance associated with it. You understand what I'm saying? In a condo, your maintenance fee is a fixed cost. In a house, it's variable. It's very simple. Just because you buy a house over a condo doesn't mean you can all of a sudden apply that maintenance fee money to mortgage. That is foolish. Anyway, that rant is over. So anyway, look out for this. Please reach out 416-434-1511 or ara@property.ca. Second is this house here in Leslieville, 191 Booth Avenue. You access the parking by the Laneway over here. You have Barrio, which is an awesome Mexican restaurant right there. Our boy Ted owns and runs that. An original Leslieville visionary Ted is. Leslieville would not be where it is today without that man. So here's the house right here, 191, this one right here, 191 Booth Avenue, fronting right onto Jimmy Simpson Park. There's a pool in here, a rec center, awesome tennis courts, an amazing skating rink, outdoor hockey rink right there. You've got, this church is now down. That is the Harhay Developments 875 Queen Street building going up there. You've got the Wonder condos way down at the bottom over here. This Wood Green site is currently sold to a developer. That will be a condo. So you are surrounded by a lot of energy to the south, but also a lot of peace and quiet to the north that will not change. So this currently is going to be released at $1.55 million later today. So you have a small window to access this before anybody else. There's a main floor and a basement, which is one unit, and the upper level, which is the second unit. I'd really love to see this home broken up into more units to maximize that cash flow. Right now, it's sort of a break-even kind of investment. It's super safe. The home is perfectly renovated. There's nothing you need to do but buy it and start cashing those rent checks. We haven't run the full analytics on the rental income yet. We do know that it currently grosses $63,500 a year. Expenses are around $10,000 on this thing. So you're netting about $53,000 a year, and it works out to about a 3.4, 3.5% cap rate, which is pretty low. But when it comes, the easier the investment, the safer the investment, the lower that cap rate's going to be. So this investment is akin to a condo single unit type of investment where you're pretty much just hoping for that break even point and have somebody else pay down your equity. There are ways we can make this thing cash flow for you. So give me a shout, ara@property.ca or 416-434-1511, and I'll talk you through all of that stuff. So those are the two exclusives. The 2,600 square foot loft at the Merchandise, 191 booth, the 2-unit investment property, a duplex, if you will. And then one quick thing I want to end this on. I don't know if you know, but I've been ranting about how Laneway housing is cute and fun and amazing, but completely useless in terms of solving any issues related to affordability. And I said, this is exactly what's going to happen. So, if you want to read the blog, go to thespringteam.ca/blog and scroll down a couple and you'll see this Laneway housing post that we put up there. But where is it here? Here it is. So, ladies and gentlemen, affordable Laneway housing. Oh, it's only $3 million, as I said they would be. Nothing affordable about this, but it's beautiful, tall, skinny, awesome, made it work. Pictures are garbage, but overall the space is chopped up, divided, whatever. You essentially have like a 1-bedroom condo on 5 levels, so 5 1-bedroom condos stacked on top of each other. I think they could have done a much better job representing the property with the photos, but overall this is what a Laneway house is, and this is what Laneway houses will be going forward. They will not solve any affordability issues. They will add supply to the luxury market, which is not at all affordable. Anyway, that's my little rant at the end, but call me about those exclusives, ara@property.ca, 416-434-1511. And I'm going to be posting this on Instagram, IGTV as well. So if you're not following me on Instagram, ARAMAMMO, or at thespringteam.ca, actually at thespringteam.ca, that's where this is going to go. So I'll see you later. Peace out, everybody.